Hi, welcome to Kerry's Cards. I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to make a little gift bag without any cutting or any measuring or any rulers or anything like that. So if you've got some 12 by 12 pieces of paper, some nice designer series paper that you want to, not sure what to do with, then this is perfect for just making a little bag. The bags come to be approximately, let's see how size you can see. You should be able to fit something nice in there for Christmas. This is the Christmas wrapping paper that I'm using here. But I'm going to use this one in the demonstration just to show you that it can make any type of bag for, not just for Christmas, for gifts as well. So let's get crafting. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is take our piece of paper. You will need some either double-sided tape or some glue. I'm going to use some Tombow glue. So it might take a little bit longer to set, or I'm going to use my stamp and seal here, which will be a little bit quicker. So the first thing we're going to do is turn down the top with approximately 1 inch. So just a rough idea guide, make sure that your edges are lined up here and on the other side, and then we'll use our bone folder just to make sure it's nice and secure. Then I'm going to take my stamp and seal, just pop a little bit down there and a little bit on that side to hold it in place. Okay, and then I'm going to turn it over because I know that I want this on my outside of my bag, and then we fold it over just over halfway, so it's like a third, so a third, a third and a third. So we're just going just slightly over and then press it down. And then taking this side, I'm going to put some stamp and seal all the way down here before I fold it over. Okay, and then I'm going to fold this one over and I'm going to make it just about marry up where the glue is, and then press it down and fold it that way. So I can just see a little bit of the stamp and seal there that's come off. I'm just going to rub that so it's not sticky on that side. And that is the first part of making our bag with no cutting. The next part we're going to do is we're going to turn it up about 3 inches. Now I'm just eyeballing this. You can use a ruler if you want. Let's just see what it looks like. That's pretty spot on. I'm impressed with myself, even if I do say so. Fold it over, and again use your bone folder here to fold that down. Now this is the most, I would say, complicated part. Then we take our bottom, what is going to be the bottom of the box, and we're going to sort of half open it but fold the insides in, and then these 2 lines here where it is needs to marry the bottom of where the bag is going to be. So again, you just use your fingers to help guide it. So you can see here that the fold there is going to be the bottom of the bag. Again, use your bone folders to make it nice and secure and crisp. Then we take the very bottom, and fold it so it's just over the midline there, the crease. Use your bone folder, and then we take the top one over and do exactly the same on that side. And this is where we're going to use some glue to hold everything down. So you just want to pop it on. Oh. Come on. Am I out? I'm not out, am I? Oh, there we go. I didn't think I was. There we are. Oh, crashed. I'm going to pop this one down here as well. Oh, my stamp and seal's messing up. Why is that happening then? Okay, let's put that to one side for now, and we'll use our glue. So me thinking I'll be quick. Glue there and glue there. Okay, and hold that in place because I've just used wet glue. Now what we need to do is take this bit here, we fold it over, and we marry this part here to where our angle crease is there. So can you see that there? So I'm just going to fold it over and match it up. And then you just feed it with your fingers and use your bone folder as well. And then we do the same on the other side. Marry this bit up to this bit here, so guide them to the matching. And then gently feed that with your fingers. Okay, so then we open it all out. Put our hands in, create the box, pop it all down, and all the folds and the score lines that you've done should then enable you to pop that in with your fingers. There, so that makes the top. And then feed that all the way down there. And there we have a very quick, no cut, with a little bit of glue bag. And you can actually make these in advance and store them flat in your cupboard. So it's a great idea. I hope you enjoy making those. There's different sizes you can make. I have tried it with 2 pieces of 12 by 12 together. And it does make a slightly larger box or bag. Measurements are pretty similar in terms of how you make the bag, but this time you have 2 glue bits because you obviously need to glue them together first. So I've got a glue side there and a glue side there. And then you fold the bag exactly the same on the bottom. You might not be able to see it here, but this slightly bigger triangle size. But again, these also folds flat in your cupboard for your own storage. So you never really need to buy a gift bag again, because if you've got lots of 12 by 12, even like normal gift wrapping paper, you should be able to follow exactly the same principles in terms of making a bag. So have fun, enjoy crafting and making your own bag. It will fit a little bottle of Prosecco in there with some chocolates, and then you can jazz it up how you want, but you can seal it that way as well. Have fun, take care, bye.